Changing out some spark plugs this morning. The car cuts out when you put it right to the floor, so I'm going to change the plugs. I got wires for the 70 Cadillac engine, but that had a point system. This has got the different cap and rotor, so I got the wrong wires for the HEI system. So. You can see where the steering shaft is rubbing on the header, and I heard that you can get a steering shaft from a 94 and older Jeep Cherokee, and it'll bolt onto this with a U-joint at the top and the bottom, and give us a little more clearance, I guess. So I think I might try that.